Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and I have a brand new vacuum cleaner. Well, okay, let me correct myself there before I get too far ahead. It's not brand new, it's new to me. So I moved to a new house, I've got an entirely new carpet, and this stuff is, it's nice and fluffy-ish. Just a little bit. But this is the guy we're going to be working with today. The Turbo Force Helix, or the Power Force Helix Turbo, whatever you want to call it. I used this to clean the car out last week and it worked phenomenally. And I'm going to be using this guy to clean off my desk because there is a bunch of dust stuck in the keyboard and I don't want it there anymore because it's pestering the hell out of me. So I guess without further ado, let's clean this bad boy up, shall we? That does not look too bad. Try to get those nice crisp lines because I know you girls are absolutely crazy about them. So let's get to this area next. All right, so I went ahead and I made the attachment. I'm gonna give this a shot and I hope to hell that it pleases my OCD because like I said, there is dust everywhere. It's gonna drive me nuts if it keeps building up. So let's give it a shot and see how it does. Boop. I think that about does it. Had a little bit of trouble with the keyboard. Obviously, there's a bunch of shit popping up on the screen, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it used to. And until next time, which is usually going to be in about give or take a week when my OCD starts kicking in again. So, bye humans. All right, before we go, I'm going to do a vac dump and see how well this guy works. Good thing I didn't need to breathe any of that clean air. I don't know how you guys do this. This is awful. I would have a respirator, but coronavirus done sold out everywhere, so we'll see how this works. Alrighty then, throw in there a couple of pennies. I know how much you guys love that crunch, so I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna do it again and see how well the actual vacuum bristles pick it up. Yay, carcinogens. We are locked and loaded. Ready? Fight! Well, that's all for now. If you guys want more stuff, I guess let me know. I may get to it, I may not. We'll see. Till then.